Search and rescue dogs play a very important role when it comes to saving lives during disasters, whether man-made or natural. What I'm going to do is that I'll be demonstrating how these kind of dogs are trained. As you can see in front of me, I have some boxes here. So to train this dog, what we do, we have someone hiding here or any of these boxes, and that's what we'll be doing with my decoy here, Peter. So, and then from there, I'm going towards the dog to search for him, and once he finds the decoy, he's supposed to bark to let me know that he has found the decoy. So in this scenario, we are trying to recreate, let's say we had a building that had collapsed, and there are people trapped inside. So this is the same kind of training that the dog is supposed to have in order to recover those people. So I'll have Peter hide in one of these boxes, and then from there I'm going to come with my dog and we are going to search for Peter. So he'll be hiding in any of the boxes here. Now I have my dog here called Tyson. He's a cross between a Belgian Malinois and a German Shepherd, and all he's working for is his toy. He likes playing with this toy, so this will be his motivator to fight the guy inside the boxes. So we can start the search. So he's all doing it because at the end of the day he's going to get the toy. Good. Search. 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 And immediately. And that's his way of indicating that he has found the hiding person or the decoy. So this is what we call active indication, and I'm going to reward him for that. Yes, good. 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 So let's see whether he found the person. So the guy is here and the dog was right. So we are going to do one more. So we are going to do one more just to make sure that the dog knows what he was doing and it was not a fluke. Good. So I'm going to face the other way. I'm going to face the other way just to make sure that my dog can't see where the guy is hiding. Good. Hiya. So, and he's ready. I'm going to ask him to search. 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 Again. That's where my decoy is hiding. Yes, good. Again, he's going to get his reward, and our decoy is right inside there. So we are going to do another one whereby we have him hiding inside a pit. We have dug out a pit, and so you have him hiding inside that pit, and we are going to ask the dog to look for him. So guys, as we said, we have another setup here, and in this setup we have some pits. As I'm going to show you, we have dug some pits here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to have my decoy to hide inside this pit, and I'm going to direct my dog to search for him. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pits he can hide in any one of them. So Peter, can you come and hide here? So I'll have him hide inside the pitch, and as you can see, he is holding the toy. Show them the toy. This is what motivating the dog, because this dog is so motivated by this star. So he knows that once he fights the decoy, he's going to get rewarded by this star. So I'm going to place it back. I'm now going to get my dog and we are going to do the search. Now I have my dog ready. He's ready to do the search, and here we go. Search. 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 And immediately he has located the decoy. Shake the toy. Search. Good. And he got rewarded by his toy, with his toy ladder. Kosawa kabisa. So guys, the decoy is there, as you can see, and we are going to run one more test. I'll be out of sight to make sure that the dog has no clue where the decoy is hiding. So the decoy is in place, and again you're going to run this test. Here, down, search. Right away, search. And that's his way of indicating that he has found the decoy. So it's all about getting the toy, and he has found his toy. So this dog is working for this piece of equipment. This is what's motivating this dog to search for the hiding guy. So guys, this is all about search and rescue dogs. This is how search and rescue dogs are trained. And for more information about search and rescue dog and many other kind of dog training, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.